Good day everyone, especially to our instructor, Ma'am Jackson. I am Mark Joshua Abena from BSIS Section 1 and this is my report and it's all about whistleblowing. So first, ano nga ba yung whistleblowing? Whistleblowing is an effort to attract public attention to a negligent, illegal, unethical, abusive, or dangerous act by a company or some other organization. In some cases, whistleblowers are employees who act as informants on their company, revealing information to enrich themselves or to gain revenge for a perceived wrong. In most cases, however, whistleblowers act ethically and attempt to correct what they think is a major wrongdoing, often at great personal risk. So yung whistleblowing, isa siyang parang pamamaraan ng isang employee ng isang company or kaya ng isang organization kung saan parang nilalabas niya yung baho ng company kung meron mang kaganapan doon na parang mali. Yun yung whistleblowing. Tsaka pwede rin siya mangyari sa government. Yan. Especially kapag meron nangyayaring corruption. And a whistleblower usually has personal knowledge of what is happening inside the offending organization because of his or her role as an employee of the organization. Sometimes that the whistleblower is not an employee but a person with special knowledge gained from a position as an auditor or business partner. So yun, yung whistleblower daw, usually dyan sa mga whistleblower is nanggaling mismo dun sa company or kaya sa isang organization na nilalabas nila yung baho. Pero minsan naman, pwede rin na hindi siya galing sa company. Pero kailangan meron siyang parang meron siyang special knowledge about dun sa company or organization na yun na pwedeng ipanlaban dun kung meron mang mali yung ginagawa. Next slide. So yan. Kilala niyo ba sila? Do you know them? Yan. Dito, itong babae, siya si Janet Lim Napoles. Yan. Parang siya yung pork barrel queen. At dito naman sa kanan ko is si Ben Horluy. Isa siyang whistleblower doon sa kaso ni Janet Lim Napoles. Si Ben Horluy is pinsan siya ni Janet Lim Napoles at saka assistant siya ni Janet Lim Napoles. Kaya talagang alam na alam niya yung mga pangyayari doon sa organization na kinabibilangan nilang dalawa. Kaya naman, tumayo siya bilang whistleblower. Yan. So, syempre, merong mga batas na nag-iingat doon sa mga whistleblower. Syempre, kapag ang isang whistleblower, parang kapag inilabas mo yung baho ng isang company or organization or kaya ng isang politiko, parang nasa at risk yung buhay mo. Kaya meron dapat mga batas na inilalaan yung government upang ingatan yung mga whistleblowers. So yun. A whistleblower protection laws allows employees to alert the proper authorities to employer actions that are unethical, illegal, or unsafe or that violate specific public policies. Unfortunately, no comprehensive federal laws protects all whistleblowers from retaliatory acts. So yun nga, dapat na talagang merong batas na mag-iingat sa mga whistleblowers. Yan. Kasi meron parang silang threat, life threat, parang o kaya death threat. Meron ba? Death threat. Yan. O sunod naman natin, whistleblowing protection for private sector workers. So yung meron yan private tsaka public. Yan. Kapag private, syempre nasa yan, parang company, yan sa mga company. At yung batas na nag-iingat sa kanila is yung retaliation. Yan. Yung retaliation is isa siyang batas or isa siyang gawain kung saan yung iniiwasan nito na i-fired nung mga manager or ng mga boss yung mga whistleblowers sa kumpanya nila. Yan. Iniingatan nila yung mga whistleblowers ng act na to. So, yun. Ito lang po yung report ko. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.